How's it, you guys? I'm Ray. You guys are watching the best energy saving tips, and today's topic is microwaves, stoves, and ovens. You guys ready? Guys, let's get started. I'm just getting too hot. Here is your first tip. Consider using the microwave when cooking or reheating smaller portions. Here's one really good tip that everyone should know. Learn how to cook at least 3 dishes in your microwave. Hey, here's a great tip. Use the oven light instead of opening the door. Opening the door reduces the heat about 20%. Oh, no kidding. Yep, me na. Oh, I have to check my cooking. Oh, smell good. One more hour, I think. Oh, gosh, look at that. Hey guys, here's another great tip. Defrost the foods before cooking them.
Defrost your foods.
Here's a great tip. Cover your pots and pans to speed up cooking. Here's a really great tip. Make sure you match your pan size with the right burner. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned to this next video for more energy saving tips. And then download the PDF and take the quiz. And I'll see you guys later. Aloha!